If you are under 40 and you are struggling with erectile dysfunction, you are not broken, you are just overloaded. This isn't about your age, it's about your lifestyle, your stress, and the way your brain has been wired. The best part, you can fix it if you can take control now. Most guys think the erectile dysfunction is an old man's problem, but that's not the case. Studies show that about 1 in 4 men under the age of 30 deal with it. So you're not some rare case. The difference is, in younger men, erectile dysfunction usually is not about a permanent physical damage. It's more like your body waving a big red flag. Hey man, get yourself together and sort this out. What's really going on? Let's talk about the modern traps that are setting you up for failure. Number 1, we have porn and dopamine overload. Porn is a huge one. Unlimited novelty from porn trains your brain to need more and more stimulation. Stuff real sex can't compete with. And over time, you feel numb. Your brain literally stops responding to the real thing. Number 2, we have stress and anxiety. Young guys today are under constant pressure. Money, career, dating, social comparison. When you're stressed, our adrenaline literally shuts down blood flow. Add performance anxiety and it becomes a vicious cycle. The more you worry, the less you perform, which makes you worry even more. The third reason is a sedentary lifestyle. Hours of sitting, gaming, and endless scrolling kills your circulation, especially to your pelvis. And guess what? The penis is often the first place bad circulation shows up. The fourth reason, sleep and stimulants. Late nights, energy drinks, and endless screen time wreak havoc on your testosterone and rob you of your deep sleep. This is when you are supposed to have between 3 and 5 erections per night. Skip that and your body literally loses practice. And number 5, we have hidden health issues. This is the part where most guys ignore. Things like early diabetes, obesity, and even heart disease are creeping up into young men. And your penis, it's often the first alarm bell. And the good news is that you have the power to reverse all this. And here is a simple game plan. Number 1, check for morning wood. If you still wake up hard, your plumbing works. If you don't, it's time to get your hormones, blood sugar, and circulation checked. Number 2, reset your dopamine. Try a 30-day porn detox and cut down the endless scrolling. Your brain will thank you. Number 3, move your body. 20 minutes a day, walk, lift, cycle, or it doesn't matter what it is, movement keeps blood flow alive. Also, make sure you go outside more often. The infrared light from the sun boosts nitric oxide, especially when you are surrounded by nature. Next, learn how to manage your stress. Stress management equals performance management. Do breath work, meditate, or exercise, whatever helps you find your calm. Next, protect your sleep. This is non-negotiable. Aim for 7-8 hours a night. Sleep is when testosterone rises, dopamine resets, and your brain fires off those crucial nighttime erections. Every lost hours can mean weaker performance tomorrow. And lastly, lose belly fat. If you are overweight, you know what to do. Those fat cells literally convert testosterone into estrogen. Dropping a few pounds can have a huge difference. Erectile dysfunction in your 20s and your 30s is not a life sentence, it's a second chance. Fix it now and you're not just getting your sex life back, but you're protecting your heart, your hormones, and your confidence for the next 40 years to come. And if you've been with me through this series, here is the big lesson. Erections are not just about the sex. Erections are your body's report card. Blood flow, hormones, stress, and lifestyle all show up in here. So the sooner you start to pay attention, the faster you recover and the stronger you will be in every part of your life. See you on the next one.